The course is focused into, for example, computer vision or reinforcement learning or recommender system or natural language processing. And in each course, you will learn easily 10 models. Okay, so I will not go into specific details. Now, the curriculum, there will be actually track core, that means things like algorithm design and applied machine learning, which is courses that all AI track students have to take. Then we have track electives. So electives are those where you can pick and choose. So those four main domains that I mentioned about earlier, computer vision, reinforcement learning, NLP, natural language processing, and recommender system, these are all part of the electives, which means that you can select um, those that you want, along with other things such as machine learning engineering. That's where you do cloud deployment. Then you have an open elective to fill the gaps with, if you really like, you can take even more AI courses, or you can take courses from the other schools. Okay, so that will be roughly the curriculum. And in terms of career prospect, definitely data scientists, machine learning engineers. So some students might ask, what's the difference? Data scientist is more focused on the model itself and translating the business use case into delivering the product. And for machine learning engineer, it's more back-end coding heavy, and it's where you want to do things like continuous integration and continuous deployment. So we need to do knowledge of database, clouds, and probably you would need to have much more coding related expertise as compared to a data scientist, which is more theoretical and mathematical with some coding to supplement.
Thank you, Dr. Kaur. I have a student who asking here is that um, she's very passionate and very much interested in AI, but not good at coding. Would one have a chance to study it if it is, and would it be suitable for a profile as such as not quite familiar at coding?
Okay, so definitely we have students who have very little experience, but then they come in and then they pick up the coding very fast. So one thing I want to assure students will be, the moment you pass your interview and if the track director accepts you in, it means that you are good enough already. So you have to believe in yourself, right? Once you're accepted, it means you are good enough to compete with the rest of the AI track students. Okay, so I would say let the interview decide. And then how to perform well in the interview? Well, the track director is not there to fail you, but he wants to make sure that you are really in it for the long haul, that you will not quit halfway. Okay, so you have to show him that you are genuinely interested in AI and that you are prepared to accept a steeper learning curve and you are willing to, work extra hours. So my suggestion will be, from now until the interview, there will actually be time